Hi everyone, it's Adrien Fourmaux. Today I'm gonna teach you how to manage a corner with a snowbank. Snowbank! So with the snowbank, you've got a corner. All this is in a snowbank. In snow, the snow plow goes and you put a lot of snow on the side, which we call a snowbank. With the snowbank, there is two lines. You've got the line, which will be the really cleanest one, the tidy one, where the wheel will go, but will not really touch it. It's fast, it's efficient, but you can optimize a little bit more. You can arrive a little bit faster, rotate the car a bit more, and then use the snowbank on the outside with the wheel. It will hold it. Instead of going off the corner, you will still have the snowbank holding it, and then you carry on. It's very fast, very efficient, and very satisfying. But the risk is if you carry a little bit too much speed, then the wheel can catch it too aggressively and then it will push the front back. And if you put the front of the car into the snowbank, then it will catch you and you will never get back. Sweden 25. We also have to know that the snowbanks are also very different. Some snowbanks are very icy, like it's been melting, and then when you touch it, it's very, very stiff, very strong, so you can really use it. As soon as it becomes really soft, the risk is really that it will grab you and then you will go off. So some snowbanks you can really use them aggressively, and some better to stay away. Also, the really nice thing about the snowbanks, it's very good fun inside the car. The feeling that you can really load the car and use it. Also, it's faster if it's really well done, and also it's really nice looking. Don't try to replicate at home.